started. Recording. 1 channel started.
Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be the nighttime audio and video test of the Viofo A129 Pro in 1 channel configuration. Right now I'm speaking to you live directly to the camera. The camera is recording in 4K at 30 frames per second, and the bit rate is set to maximum. And the high dynamic range is set to on, and I have removed the CPL filter. Alright, that's going to be it for the nighttime audio video test. Next time I'll do the daytime audio and video test. We'll see you.